So the Mlove P3 is a pretty futuristic look speaker, but it also looks a bit like a mix between the cyberpunk experience and a military speaker. You can even remove this metal grill with the screws, and then you see the drivers. So the funny thing with this speaker as well is that the passive radiators on the sides with the LED light show, they're actually very useful on this speaker. Because it uses two small drivers, I didn't expect any bass at all, but the overall performance is much better than expected. And even on max volume, the bass is still on the edge of in control. Yeah, it isn't the loudest speaker, but I do think they decided to tune it at the maximum of a decent volume, and then also to keep the quality on the speaker as well. So yeah, let's just go to the audio sample so you can see yourself how it performs. But it's definitely an okay speaker for its €40.
I'm heavy breathing, feels like I'm lucid dreaming. I'm not usually the type to rush into the night. segundo desde el día que yo